What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be changing the cabin air filter on a 2011 300C all-wheel drive. Alright, let's get it. We're going to change our cabin air filter, which is right over here. We just got it's right passenger side. Right? Clean all that crap off. Go into here. It says with arrows or something like that. Pop that baby out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, jeez. Oh, man. Alright, so that's our dirty old air filter. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Okay, so airflow in towards the cabin, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So there's a bit 2 slots in there. Slide it within the slots. Look at that, like butter. And Bob is your uncle. Toss that out. Damn. That back in here, and that's that. All right,